Measurement number 2. The first assignment, the only assignment we've done all year, was measurement number 1. Hopefully you found that pretty easy, pretty simple, the perfect way of starting off the year. We're going to do a second one, so dive right in, open it up, and let's see what we got here. We're going to start off with some more multiple choice little review here, little click click, easy easy. Choose the best units for measuring the distance from your home to the grocery store. Now, I know some of you out there might be saying, Dylan, I live like a stone throw away from the grocery store. Like I could literally walk 50 feet and bam, there's a grocery store. And to you, I say, wow, that's got to be annoying being so close to such a large place, visited so often by so many people. But for everyone else, in general, the vast majority of people do not live so close to a grocery store that you could throw a ball and hit a window. Not that I recommend doing that anyway. Instead, we say, oh, I live like 3 miles from the grocery store, especially in the United States where we're answering. Oh, I wonder, let's try kilometers. Is this very friendly to a non-American answer, or is this straight American? Oh, it is. Oh, very nice. So kilometers or miles. We're friendly for all types of measuring systems on this assignment. Would work. Choose the best units for measuring the time to take a shower. So again, maybe if somebody out there and is like, I start every day with a 3-hour shower. To you, I say, wow, that's the worst thing I've ever heard. That's like wasting all the water and all the electricity. Do showers use electricity? I don't know. I guess maybe some do. Some have lights or something. There's some fancy showers out there. Either way, that would be very wasteful to take anything longer than a shower that can be measured in minutes. Okay? If you're measured in hours, days, months, weeks, years, there's lots of choices here. I took a 4-year shower. My skin was so pruny by the time I got out. Now, no. Instead, it's like I'd take a 10-minute shower, a 15-minute maybe. I love my morning shower. If I don't take my morning shower, I do not feel alive, especially awake. I don't really drink coffee, but I need my morning shower. Number 3, choose the best units for measuring the length of a football field in customary units, otherwise known as American. By the way, this is the American football as well. This isn't football with a U and the little accent above it. Soccer, as we call it in the U.S. You might know that a football field is 100 yards. 100 yards. If not, you could Google that or just follow along. And look what it says. Very American football themed. Touchdown! 6 points! Number 4, fill in the blank to complete the conversion. Enter an exact answer. 1,300 centimeters is blank meters. Well, once again, I'm going to be realistic. Let's just return to our handy-dandy Google. Let's say 1,300 centimeters to meters. Whoa, it selected something else there. Centimeters. Centimeters, the first one. 13 meters. Why? I love that it tells you this formulation. Divide the length value by 100, because there are 100 centimeters in a meter. All right. Ah, the years where you had to do this all by hand, and now you just ask Siri. Hours into minutes. Well, I know there are 60 minutes in an hour, so for the sake of, doing a few by manual calculation, we're just going to multiply this by 60. On this Desmos calculator that is really smart to have up on every assignment, we will use it on the vast majority of them. Just keep it open in a separate window on your computer. Meters into kilometers. Well, I'm just going to tell you, you can look it up. There are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Kilo means 1,000. Okay. So 14 times 1,000. 14,000. But you could also utilize Google, utilize Siri, utilize what's called Cortana if you have an Android. The whole point of these assignments is really just to get some practice easing into the year. Feet into miles. Do you have that memorized? Do you know that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile? That is true. Wow. It's also 1,760 yards, as far as I have memorized. Thus, if we're going from feet to miles, feet are much smaller than a mile. So we're going to divide. So whatever you have there, if you haven't already looked it up, divide by 5280. That's 11 miles. I think most of these are going to be nice integers, whole numbers. Shouldn't have too many ugly decimals. You rock. Thank you very much. Seconds in a minute, 60. Seconds are smaller than minutes, so we're going to divide. Sometimes a second and a minute can seem much longer depending on the situation, or much shorter. Are you amazed like I am? If you go to sleep for like 8 hours, it seems like 3 minutes have passed, but then at other times, 2 minutes can seem like 3 years. Time is so interesting. It's all a human construct, and yet it seems so different depending on the situation. Hours into second. Hours are much larger than seconds. So if we're going from large to small, we're going to be multiplying here. So 15 times. How many seconds are in an hour? Well, there are 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. So there are 3,600 seconds in an hour. 54,000. And finally, ounces in a ton. Now, this is one I will go back to Google on because you'll see. I'm just going to type in tons to ounces is right there. You'll notice some things. We have U.S. tons, and we have a whole bunch of other ones. Metric tons, imperial tons. For the sake of this assignment, leave it in U.S. tons. 32,000 ounces in a ton. So then so check this out too. You could just edit it from right in this blank, and it edits it live. 6,080. Or you could take whatever you have times 32,000 to do it manually. Technology can be absolutely horrible, can be an addiction, can be lots of things, but it could also be wonderful. And conversions in the year, well, just again, who knows what year you'll be watching this, but in the year at least of in the 21st century, we'll say safely, you'll be watching this in the 2000 something, 20, 21, 22, who knows how long this video will last. It's just nice to be able to get conversions fast. And I know that I appreciate when I drive to Canada that my newer car will have a kilometer gauge as well. So you don't have to constantly be saying, okay, wait, how many kilometers an hour am I driving? It only shows me miles. That's very stressful. Okay, there you go. Simple, simple, easy. You're seeing I am filming this on a Saturday just for you on my weekend. That's how much I care. I want to make sure this video is done and done for you. Best wishes in all that you do, whether you're driving on a road that's in miles, kilometers, whether you're 10 feet from a grocery store or 10 miles. I wish you the best. Take care. Have a great day. And hopefully, in this exact moment in time, it's sunny because it's very sunny outside this moment of time. Take care. Bye-bye.